Okay, today we have an unboxing of a new Opus 88 pen. This is the Halo fountain pen collection, and it was a collaboration between Opus 88 and another company. And I'm going to show you their logo is right on the box. Funny enough, I just misplaced it. Let me find it. Oh, there it is. So Opus 88's information is here, and then right alongside it over here is Lennon Tool Bar. So the two of them work together to come up with this new collection. It does have a branded sleeve. It's a light blue, which is very lovely. Slide that off, and underneath is a kind of classy white box, and it has kind of a textured and an interesting feel surface, like kind of a soft, with the embossed logo here in the center. And again, the collaboration between Lennon Tool Bar is noted here with a designation on the inside box as well. Your pin information is on the side. And this is kind of a magnetic closure, and you just open that up, and inside is your fountain pen. This is your Opus 88 Halo in blue. And I love the design of the Opus 88 boxes are really nice. It's a foam insert that has cutouts just perfect for your pen. And then they also include a small eyedropper for you to use when filling your pen, because the Halo is another eyedropper fountain pen from Opus 88. So they include that eyedropper for your use when you're filling your pen. And then this is your included information about the pen. How to fill the pen is right here. So if you've never used an eyedropper fountain pen and you're looking for a pretty high quality eyedropper style fountain pen, Opus 88 is a good place to go. Let's check and see what else is in here. So you can just lift out this foam insert with all the cutouts for your products, and then underneath you find, this is nice. This is a notebook, and it's got dot grid paper, and it's obviously a Lennon Tool Bar notebook. It's got a sagey green cover that is actually kind of a slightly, it comes off as a slight metallic sheen on it here. And then it has a stitched, the paper is thread bound here. It looks like a blue stitching, which I like the contrast there. You've got the green against the blue, and then you've got the white logo. And the paper inside is a white paper with a, looks like a light gray pattern of the dot grid pattern. And then a little logo on the back side. And this appears to be like a standard pocket size notebook. It's a really cool addition. And then this is your Opus 88 Halo fountain pen. And I said it was in blue. There's 4 colors available: blue, green, gray, and clear. The color designation is going to indicate the color of the pins section. So you can see the blue here. They do come with a stainless steel number 5 fountain pen nib. And you've got your Opus 88 branding there on the nib. Okay, as you saw, it is a threaded cap, and obviously this is a demonstrator. You've got your eyedropper filling system. Okay, and I did show you that the pins do come with detailed instructions on how to use your eyedropper system, but you just take off the cap, and then you unscrew the barrel from your section. And you want to be careful not to lose this little O-ring here. It's going to keep your pen from leaking. So make sure you take notice of that. And this eyedropper filling system it's got this center bar that helps with the ink flow. So this is a great eyedropper system to start with if you haven't tried one yet, or if you maybe haven't loved them in the past. This might be the one that sells you on the system. Okay, so you get down to this level, and then you're just going to go ahead and use your eyedropper to fill your pen with your choice of fountain pen ink. And then you put your pen back together. And once your pen is filled with ink, Opus 88 does suggest that you release the, they call this the bottom tail slightly. So they just want you to go ahead and release this just a smidge here in the back. It is the familiar Koloro pen style. So if you're a fan of the Koloro, then you will probably enjoy the Halo. It's got the flat crown of the cap and flat barrel end. I just showed you the filling system and the nib. I do want to point out that this isn't one of Opus 88's oversized pens. This is more of a standard size. And also the different pin colors do all come with this same silver colored trim. And you'll see it in the pin clip that also has the, creates the ring right under the cap, right under the crown of the cap, and then coordinates with your nib. And then you have that third ring near the bottom of the barrel. So that's the Opus 88 Halo. If you want more information, find it at penchalet.com.